everybody, welcome back to our channel. You might have noticed that we changed our channel name to V Family Fun in Aussie, VFO. Even though we changed our channel name, we will still give you interesting and fun content to watch. So please support us and don't forget to enjoy this video. Have you ever wondered how water can walk between cups without being poured? Well, it isn't magic. The answer lies in three key principles: adhesion, cohesion, and capillary action. These are what the three words mean. Cohesion keeps water molecules attracted to one another, helping the water move as a stream. Adhesion is the force that allows water to stick to the paper towel. Capillary action is the process that allows water to travel upward through narrow spaces. The aim of this experiment is to observe how water moves from one cup to another through paper towels, with the forces of adhesion, cohesion, and capillary action. To test this, you'll need 6 clear cups, water, paper towels, food coloring, and a timer or stopwatch. You'll also need a stick or a spoon to stir the color, but this is optional. First, arrange the 6 cups in a row and fill every second cup with water. Next, put a few drops of food coloring in the water-filled cups and stir briefly to mix in the color. After that, fold the paper towels and place them in between the cups. Each towel should have one end in the cup with water and the other end in an empty cup. And finally, start the timer and watch as the magic unfolds. Water slowly moves through the paper towels into the empty cups. By placing folded paper towels between cups filled with water, you'll see the water walk from one cup to another, creating a rainbow effect. But how does this happen? When you place a paper towel so that it touches a cup that is filled with water and one that is completely empty, the water starts to walk along the paper towel. This happens because of capillary action, which is the ability to move water through tiny spaces, defying gravity. The paper towels are made with small fibers, with lots of little gaps between them. Resembling a sponge, water molecules stick to the towel's fibers. This is called adhesion, and also stick to each other. That's cohesion. These forces pull the water up and across the towel until it drips into the next cup. Capillary action plays a vital role in everyday life, from helping plants draw water and nutrients from their roots to their leaves, to enabling fountain pens and markers to deliver ink smoothly. It's the reason paper towels and sponges absorb spills so efficiently, and it's even used in medical tools like glucose test strips to draw small samples of blood. Capillary action plays a super important role in the human body, even though we don't always notice it. In our bodies, capillary action helps tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, move fluids like blood, oxygen, and nutrients to all the cells. This invisible force quietly powers the essentials all around us. This experiment taught me a bunch of different stuff. Initially, I thought this experiment was about osmosis, but the paper towel was not a barrier like I initially thought. Quickly, I learned that this experiment relies on capillary action, adhesion, and cohesion. In our experiment, we wanted to see how water can move between cups, even when it seems like it shouldn't. We also saw that when we use different food coloring, it mixed in the middle cup to make new colors. This was not only fun to watch, but also showed how water can carry things with it, like nutrients and plants. The walking water experiment helped us understand how capillary action works. It was exciting to see science in action, and now we can understand how something simple like a paper towel can teach us about the way water moves in nature. I believe that if I connected cups of colored water with paper towels, the water could walk through the towels into the empty cups. I also thought some of the colors would mix to make new ones like orange and green. What happened was really exciting. The water began to rise through the paper towels. It looked like it was walking. After about an hour, the empty cups started to fill with colored water. Red and yellow mixed into orange, and yellow and blue made green. Thank you so much for 700 subscribers. If you want to see more of our videos, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Comment below what other variables you tried or other colors you made. Till next time, bye!